Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So today we have this Acer Spin 3 that's coming for the charging port. Now looking at it, I'm not happy with that corner. I think this is going to be a whole world of pain because I think the actual what's name was broke, judging by that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on and have a look. Right, so that's all the screws out. Let's just try and open this up. Right, so this is basically just to check and see how it's connected, and luckily that's on a cable. That is a cable. I actually thought that this was it was actually a solder, but no, that is on a cable. Right, now let's look at, whilst we've got it open, let's have a look at the so that's so it's not as bad as what I thought. It's just the you can see the names are broken. The actual bits are where it screws into it, actually in there, so that's fine. So I will try and get I'll get a price for this, and also for the charging port, and then we'll come back when I get the bits in. Right, so it's now 6 days later. I've got the charging port in, and so let's get on and swap it over. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the couldn't find the plastics, but luckily it isn't what I thought it was first of all. So yeah, that should be all right. Okay, so yes, I hear you. So I should have disconnected the battery first. Right, okay, so that's the battery disconnected. And that's the port. Now let's compare that setting. Yeah, that is really loose. Sorry, that's really loose compared to the new one, which, yeah, right. I think I've got that in. Right, okay, so we've got that in there. Now that's going to out, and right, so that is nicely in there. Let's just test. Unfortunately, the customer has got a foreign, what am I doing? It's a foreign plug. They do look a little bit bent as well, actually. So I haven't been able to sort of test it with their one, but I'll test it with mine, with a charger I've got. So today, my little toy arrived. So watch out for that. I will now be doing hopefully better videos with like closer up. So that's that. Now to just get it back together and test it. Right, so I've got it back together, and as you can see, the charging light is on and off and on. So I think we can say this is done. Now this has got a mechanical hard drive in it, so yeah, I did try powering it up. It's just taking a painfully long time to boot, so I thought I would spare you that. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Please click like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye.